Hello, hello, hello. Today, we are having Bellacinos. Let me tell you something. If y'all don't have a Bellacinos in your state, y'all better go tell somebody y'all gotta get one. Okay? Because we having Bellacinos today. Ham and cheese. It's a pizza and grinder. Let me put it down. I may have to pick it up so y'all can get y'all a good view. Oh yeah. It's gonna fall some, but that's okay. Yes. Let me tell y'all something. Ham and cheese grinder, and they have baked fries, y'all. Baked fries. So they're not as crisp as your regular fries, but they're healthier because they're baked. Okay, got me some ketchup, and they got the most amazing chocolate chip cookies. For real. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me get my blessing. Alrighty. Uh-oh. Boop. Cherry soda pop. Yeah. Yeah. Let me get that open. With my Florida flip-flop. That is good. So this is a ham and cheese. Ham and cheese. And just got your basic ham, lettuce, tomato. And I guess their dressing are mayo. And then they toast the bread and it's buttery too. And these cookies, they are so good. And it's just basic chocolate chip cookies, but they're so good. So, is everybody ready for Father's Day? Excuse my hair, fist. I had to put it back because it had been all over my face and I couldn't have that. Everybody plans for Father's Day all set? All your surprises and gifts? So in one of my previous videos, I told y'all that I was trying to get my video area together. Right now, I'm in my kitchen because I have a spot in my kitchen where I could do it. And I got another spot too, so I'm trying to figure out if y'all think this area is good. Can you see everything? I don't know about the lighting. Tell me about the lighting. Is it bright enough? I do have equipment coming. I've ordered it. It's coming. I have a few things, but the rest haven't got here yet. When everything get here, I'm gonna show it to y'all, get set up. We're gonna do it together. So I need all my subscribers to hit me with a comment. Let me know. I need to know who all my subscribers are, because I need to know who are the people that's been with me since day one. I love y'all. And my newbies too. I love y'all too. Mm-hmm. Mm. Now you have to dip that. Mm-hmm. This thing, a sub don't have nothing on there. Nothing. Look at that. Man, people were everywhere outside today. Everybody's trying to get ready for tomorrow. I went to the Dollar Tree because I wanted to, I needed some peroxide and some other stuff. Anyway, she was like, the cashier was like, we don't have any helium for the balloons. I'm like, wow. She was like, we didn't get any helium for Father's Day. I don't know what that meant. It's like, I don't know why. I'm just saying what I was told. I don't know. I know me and my husband, we are getting up in the morning, going to the movies, because we have yet to see Ma. So we're just now going to get ready and go see Ma. And then we're going to Outback. So between 10 a.m. for the movies. I had to get an early one in because we wanted to go out to eat and take my son, but he got to be to work at 6 o'clock, so I had to set the day early so we can go to the movies and go get something to eat and get him back in time enough for him to chill and then go to work. And if whatever state you're from, if you're watching from another state other than Michigan, put in the comments, where you from? What state are y'all from? Now, about me, hold on. I almost can't say nothing. I keep going. nickname is Reese Cup, or Reese. I'm married, 4 sons. Let me get the ages right. I have a 16-year-old. Let me see, 16, 17, a 24-year-old, a 26-year-old, and a 30-year-old. 26, 30, 31. One of them. You know how old you is. Yeah. So I have four sons. I don't know, y'all. People say it's easier to raise boys than girls. I don't know. These boys ran me through. Let me tell you. I'm surprised these braids have anything to latch on to. Because I'm surprised I even got in here. Drove me crazy. They did stuff like, when they was little, have them get in the shower, like, okay, it's bedtime, everybody get in the shower. So one night, I told one to go in the shower. I ain't gonna put nobody's name out there. had to get in the shower. So I'm okay, yeah, water running. But you know, you can tell, just in case y'all need a little, you can tell, ooh, excuse me, when your kid is actually in there washing up. Just like if you ran in a tub and you walking back and forth doing whatever, you don't hear no water splashing. They're washing up, they're just sitting there. So I'm listening to the shower, and you can tell the water just streaming. It ain't no friction, ain't nothing going on. Like you hear nothing, no movement, him washing up. So I go in there. He's sitting on the toilet. What the heck? Is your ass sitting on the, are you on the toilet? While the water bill going up by the second? I mean, he's just sitting there on the toilet. Water running, bathroom foggied up. What's wrong with these boys? You know, you have to kill them. Just don't want to. I mean, you're right there. You're in the shower. All you gotta do is take that next move. Just put that leg right. You in the shower. You in the bathroom. But you just got the water running. And when you got multiple kids, nobody ever did it. And that aggravates the out of me. Who did it? I didn't do it. Did you do it? Did you do it? Okay, last but not least, did you do it? Okay. So everybody got to get it. I don't know what y'all want me to do. Didn't nobody do it? I know I didn't do it. So if I didn't do it, everybody got to get it. Seeing as how y'all, you know, and I ain't mad at you. Sometimes you want to take one for the team. I don't know. You know, I was the only child, so I don't have no brothers and sisters. So I don't know what it's like to take one from the team. If something happened in my house, my mama already know who it was. I couldn't lie and say it wasn't me. So everybody got to get it. You know, every blue moon, they might, if they get pissed off at the other one, then they want to tell. I'll be like, don't tell now. It's too late. What you telling me for? That was 6 months ago. But now that he done pissed you off, you want to come and tell me. Oh, no. It don't work like that. And let me tell you something. Like I said, I didn't have no siblings. But if it was summertime and we were out of school, and one of them did something, it wasn't me, I don't think I'm taking one for the team. Oh no. They like, she'll be like, who did it? I didn't do it. Who did it? I didn't do it. Who did it? I've been like, look, okay, school is out. It's 85 degrees outside. My friends is literally on the porch waiting on me. I'm not taking one for the team today. I cannot. I got something to do today. I can't. Not mine, boy. They stuck it in there. I'm like, I just hired down. I ain't taking one for the team. I'm not. Period. I got stuff to do outside. I got boys to go out here flirt with that I shouldn't have been, but anyway. So I'm gonna need y'all to get it together. I don't know what to do. But my mama, oh my gosh, I didn't get away with, let me tell you something. When I say I didn't get away with nothing, either I just was too slow to be sneaky, or she was just too good to only have one child. I was infamous for her asking me to go to the store, get her something, okay. But I was infamous. On the way to the store, I had to stop, which I wasn't supposed to because she clearly said don't. Go straight to the store, come back. I'm looking her dead in the face like, okay, go straight to the store, come back. She asked me again, what you gonna do? Go to the store and come back. I ain't say it with no attitude because I needed my teeth. But as soon as I left, where I go? Straight to my friend's house. Straight somewhere, messing around. If one of the male friends was out there, I'm out there chit-chatting, singing, ringing, and then going on to the store, come back. Now, what kids fail to realize, and I did, is that while you out there doing what you're not supposed to be doing, she timing it like, okay, so it's been 30 minutes. See, because I'm too slow to even pay attention. I was that kid who waited till the street lights came on. Oh yeah, I was that kid. They had to flicker, you know. Once that flicker, let me tell you something. I don't know about y'all. I'm from the old school. I'm a 80s, 70s, 80s, 70s, 80s baby. We went in based on the street lights. If that damn street light got the flickering, you had about a good minute and a half to get your ass home. A minute and a half top. And I mean, you better get it. Because if that damn street light pop 100% on, you don't even want to know. But anyway, I always was somewhere messing around. So, on the days that I could just go outside, I had to be in by a certain time according to the street light. And the days that I missed it, I go home. Now it's bad enough you already walking home. Your heart about to fall out your chest because you know you done messed up. But it was well worth it. Come on, you with your friends. You know what I'm saying? What are you gonna do? It's worth it. My mama was, I come home, get to the porch. Now, everybody know those trees where the branches just fall down real skinny, the real skinny branches, and they just kind of fall down and hang, and they're about this long. Yeah. So, she done went to the tree, got the switcher, took the leaves off the branches, up the steps. My mom, let me tell you, I don't know why I got in trouble. I don't know why I didn't listen. Take the leaves off the branches, up the stairs. So before you even get in the house, you already know you got an ass whooping coming. You ain't even got to think about it. You ain't got to wonder. You ain't got to think. You ain't got to, you know. So at this point, all oxygen levels is gone. Saliva, you know, I feel like Desert Storm in your mouth. Your lips and turn colors from the sidewalk to the porch. All that to happen. My stomach started bubbling. Feel like I gotta go. Like everything on the inside jack up. So I go in the house. You know, you kind of get in there, and she ain't nowhere to be found. Nowhere. Nowhere. Not in the living room. Not in the little side room. We used to have this little side room area. She ain't in the side room. She ain't in the kitchen. But in the dining room on the table, she done tied 3 of the switches together. Oh yeah, like a French braid or just like a braid. She done tied them up, laid them across the table diagonally. At this point, okay, in my day, we didn't have phones and this and that, you know, a pager could, so I'm like, oh, she just used to play mind games, like I'm gonna just put the switch right here, and she'd have been and went down the street to her friend's house. But I knew not to leave my ass back out that house. So she leave the switch there, come back. I don't know when she coming back, but when she come back, oh God, there you go. And then she come in, cool and calm. Maria, I come out there. So you just want to come in when you want to come in. Everybody know what happened after that. She wasn't no joke. Who does that? Who does that? Who does that? She like, oh, you want to play games? I'm going to play with you. One more. Hold on, y'all. I'm glad this thing, it's a grinder. So it come warm, but it's still not, it's not hot because it can't be because it got a so. Once, I went out, told her, I'm going around the corner to my friend's house. Okay, go around the corner. Now, for those who stay in Detroit and know the area of Livernois and Warren by the Coca-Cola plant, you know it's a big, huge ass baseball field over there. I mean huge, to where if you was to walk across, it'll take you at least 10 minutes to walk across. At least maybe 15. But 10 minutes, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. That's how big it was. Anyway, I went outside, took my ASS all the way across the field where the boys was. Because me and my girls, it was these boys, about 3 or 4 boys there across the field. And we go messing around, flirting, you know, doing what you're supposed to do. So we done met up on the field. We out there. And we go get them. They come back on our side. So we out there messing around, playing around. You know, I'm jumping on this back and, you know, doing this, that, and the other, and so forth. I didn't skip curfew. I got my butt in the house for that them damn lights came on. I bet you that. So I get in the house. She like, so you want to be riding little boys' backs, huh? You like, what the fuck? I was in the middle. I was on his back in the middle of the field, like playing around. She then went over to my girlfriend's house, then connected with her daddy to watch us bifocal. They done went, she done went over, and they done bifocal and saw us on the field. You know what? I can't. She was like, oh, so you want to be on little boys' backs, huh? You know what happened next? And as the only child, I don't know why I did stupid stuff. It was no one else to blame. If I told y'all the story of my life, which I will here and here, Because there's certain things that happen in my life that I feel like inspirational and may help somebody else. But ain't no reason an only child would do stupid crap and get in trouble. But I was that one. I'm going to end y'all with this one. I'm going to end it with this one. Me and my best friend at the time, I had to be about 30. I think it was like 13. Me and my best friend, her and her brother used to spend the night. Now, me and her brother then started talking. My mama didn't know. So, one night I was in the kitchen washing dishes. And he then came in the kitchen, which wasn't no big deal. We was in the kitchen, whatever. His sister was there. We was never like alone in the bedroom, and then my mom wasn't playing that shit. Not at all. So anyway, we got to kissing. Boy, let me tell you. Didn't know what we were doing, I guess. I know we was kissing, you know, like I said, I was like 13. So, well, 13, 14, something like that. Should have been my else. Someone sitting down. So anyway, you kids, you know how you open your eye with your head tilted and you get that quick? And guess who was standing right there? My mama leaning up against the door opening. I mean, just standing there. I opened my eyes, almost swallowed his tongue, I almost died. Oh my God. If looks could kill, let's just say I wouldn't be here making this video. Let's just say that. So at that point, I was like, we were still like touch lips. I was like, my mama is standing right there. He was like, what? Like she couldn't hear us. Oh my God. I'm like, why does she have to be like that? Any normal mother would just come in and catch you kiss and be like, what the fuck? Get your... Not mine. She like... When I opened my eye, it was over. I just don't understand. You know, I just think normal moms just get you while they're getting them. Just get you, not mine. She was like, you want to play games? I want to play games too. Y'all, I'm stuffed. Whew. I just heard I can't eat no more. And I had nothing but this half a piece, half a... This wasn't even my whole one. But we'll have some more story time later. I'm out. But I need for you, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Hit that notification bell for future videos. Give me a thumbs up and share. Let that ball keep rolling. I need 1,000 subscribers. Can we get there? I need to get there. Help me get there. I love y'all.